생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 대중교통으로 노선 확인하고 길을 찾을 때
Hi. Can I board this bus with a transit card?
Yes, just tap your card when you board and when you get off.
How long is the ride to the airport?
About 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
I'm worried I'll miss my flight.
Don't worry. This bus is usually on time, even during rush hour.
Good to know. What's the final stop for this route?
The final stop is Terminal 2, just after the main airport entrance.
Great. When's the next departure?
The next bus departs at 3:10. Please line up over there.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice ride.